A community as a service organization. UIU Unite is a premier network of Igbo Americans and an organization that positively impacts the diaspora, Nigeria, and the continent of Africa. This is accomplished through 4 pillars: cultural preservation, connecting the diaspora, entrepreneurship, and civic engagement. Afambo Ijeoma Anadu Okoli. I am a co-founder and CEO of UIU Unite Corporation. This is our 18th year, and in respect to our theme, the future is Igbo, Ijanya Maka. UIU is focused on serving as a leading learning and development partner to corporations and communities focused on ensuring an inclusive culture for employees of African descent. As a co-founder, I have been with UIU from day one, and as a CEO, I am responsible for managing UIU's overall operations and overseeing our various programs such as the National Convention, UIU Connects, UIU Igbo 101, UIU Cares, UIU Tourism, and chapter development. This year and every year, I look forward to the National Convention where we reconnect with old friends and meet new ones. We showcase our culture, we make new connections, and continue to build Igbo people up. I can't wait to welcome everyone at the Igbo Takeover Happy Hour and Convention Kickoff. We get to see Fino live in concert. We're bringing back the New Yam Festival at the Block Party this year. We also have an informational session about current events in Igbo land and Nigeria as a country. We have the banquet and award ceremony where we'll hear about the new UIU Cares Enugu office and all the activities and impact they're making. We'll also have a mental health workshop. We'll finalize the pitch winner and a lot more this weekend. UIU would not be possible without you, our paid and active members. All of our sponsors and supporters, we thank you for being here. We thank you for your prayers. Thank you for seeing the value in UIU. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the national team members, especially the volunteers who work tirelessly all year round. Our chapter executives for consistently showing up for the community and creating programming that supports the national vision and mission. The board of directors for focusing on the strategy and the growth of the organization. My co-founders and my family, you all are appreciated. Let's keep doing the work. Let's keep building the community. I wish everyone journey mercies to and from the convention by God's grace.
I'm Kingsley Ufere, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer and member of the National Board of UIU Unite Corporation. The Igbos are a resilient people who consistently strive to be the best wherever they find themselves. And our theme for this year's convention, The Future is Igbo, is a declaration of our intent to steadily rise to the forefront in all areas of industry. Ijanya Maka. It means our journey is beautiful. And I think it reminds us that this journey or pathways to success is best achieved as a collective, a community. And so as a national board member and COO, I'm responsible for ensuring that we execute with excellence in all aspects of our operations. One of our key pillars that I'm actually extremely passionate about is entrepreneurship. And so for that future to be Igbo, UIU aims to enable Igbo in the diaspora secure economic self-reliance, parity, and power. And, I think we try to utilize the rich social capital of Igbos in the diaspora to build a network of individuals with a passion to see the transformation in their communities. And so UIU wants to create a platform and financial lever for Igbos to make their ideas work. And I strongly believe that all our programs at the national and chapter level are collaboratively working to ensure our future. And so, aside from the amazing events like the concert, the Sunday Funday brunch, and day party, I'm really looking forward to reconnecting with friends at this year's convention. Each UIU convention brings a feel like a reunion to me. I also can't wait to make new connections. And to be honest, I think what I can't wait for the most is just being able to share an exciting convention with you all, our people. And so I'm extremely proud of the hard work and dedication from everyone who has really helped to make this year's convention a reality and success. The convention planning team, the national executives, board members, and even the chapter members and executives who passionately and tirelessly, are working to keep our grassroots impact strong in their local communities. And then finally, all our national members and supporters are the reasons why we do what we do. Ijeoma. Thank you.